4 steps to making anything your passion. How many articles and blogs have you seen about finding your passion as though it were some mystical object needed to be hunted down to find life's happiness? After a while, it feels like a fruitless search, doesn't it? What if you could make anything your passion? It all starts with these 4 simple steps. Take it easy. You can't get anywhere if you're running in circles, trying to do everything at once. Passion does not thrive in chaos. To begin this process, you need to calm your mind. Try mindfulness or meditation or simply being quiet until you can think clearly again. It's essential to stay in the moment when you're exploring passion, or it will be stifled by worries about the future and thoughts of what you're needing to do next. Take an honest assessment. What are you good at? What do you find yourself eager to do in the course of a day? What things excite you the most? Understanding yourself is crucial because this will guide you into areas where you already have an interest rather than trying to force an interest where you don't have one. Write down everything you can think of, which leaves you feeling positive and happy. Now look for the commonality. Now look at your list. What do you see over and over? Are there common threads? This is where you come to understand the things you're already passionate about on a different level. For example, you might find out you gravitate toward situations where you can be with a lot of people. Boost the passions you already have. Now you know enough to know where your passion already lies. Now it comes time to find opportunities to cultivate these passions. Going back to the example from the last step, if you love being around groups of people, you can now leverage this at work by volunteering for projects which involve a lot of people. Or maybe look for opportunities that might push you into leadership. In your personal life, you might take this same interest to volunteer for activities that require groups, or you might start a meetup group to keep social. By the time you hit the 4th step, you should be discovering you already have the opportunity for expanding on your passion everywhere you go. This makes every aspect of your life something you can feel passionate about. Sure, you're still going to have things you don't like about your job, but now you have something about your job you love.